Hello everybody and welcome to a new Cobra Kai reaction. So, this season seems really promising and it's taking a direction that I'm really loving. Not even liking a lot. I'm really loving it. I mean, Chris is out. Granted, he took Cobra Kai, but I'm like, good Johnny, get away from that Cobra Kai name. It has a bad reputation, and even though I admire the fact that you tried to, redeem the name, it's never like it's ever been really great. But even though you tried to make Cobra Kai something great, get rid of that name, make your own thing, because I do want you to make your own thing. And right now, he is working with Daniel. It's not really that they are definitely collaborating, to have a better life and everything. They're just teaming up to try to find Robbie because they both care about Robbie. And I hope that this adventure, this quest that they're going on, is definitely going to help them bond. We've seen them bonding at the Mexican restaurant. It works, it's fun, it's great. They have things to share about and everything, and they're not so different. They want both the same thing. They want to have a nice life, to be happy, to help people. And I think they both could learn something from one another. I know there are some Daniel fans out there. I'm not the biggest fan of Daniel, but I think it's fair to say that Daniel has been picking a lot on Johnny, while Johnny has just tried to he's just been trying to live, away from Daniel, but Daniel always has something to pick Johnny on about. Fair. It's justified. I wouldn't say it's fair, but I would say it's justified. Daniel has his reasons and everything, so I'm not saying that he doesn't have reasons to pick on Johnny, but I'm not saying that the way he's picking on Johnny is definitely not fair, and he's not giving Johnny a better chance. He's never really been listening to Johnny and everything, so I hope that this new adventure is definitely gonna open his eyes to Johnny and realize that Johnny has never been the evil guy that he think he is, because that's basically what Daniel thinks. Season 2 or season 1, I don't exactly remember, because there's been a lot of things. He's told Robbie that your father has demons and he's had the worst teacher. It's not entirely his fault. He's not evil, but yet he's treating him like he is evil, and like he is a bad person. So I would like you, really, Daniel, to tame a little bit and get an understanding and everything, because I think that while Johnny doesn't want to understand Daniel and everything, he's tried to. I mean, when Daniel came to his place last time to collect Sam, Johnny tried to calm him down. He was explaining, was talking to him in a nice way, was being really cautious, and Daniel, like I said, justified. He burst out the door, but that was unwise. That wasn't the thing he should have done. Miyagi-Do, everything, But basically, Daniel has been really much about do what I say, not what I do, So I'm like, and this is quite interesting because this episode is called Nature versus Nurture, and I feel like this is pretty much what this relationship that they have together is all about, really. And in fact, the relationship between all of the characters, because Cobra Kai, beyond the fact that of course it's karate, of course it's Cobra Kai, it's the institution of Cobra Kai, Miyagi-Do and everything, and that there's a quest to do such thing or such other thing. It's about relationships, it's about personalities, and so Nature versus Nurture, it's an interesting title to me. That being said, we're gonna jump right in. The full length reaction to that episode is available on Patreon, link down below in the description box. Also, if that's not already the case, don't forget to subscribe. You know where the notification bell is also, so you don't miss a new video. There are daily uploads coming on the channel. I also have a new channel called LAKEY Gaming where I'm moving all of my gaming over there. If you're interested, go check it out. Don't forget the links to all of my social media are down below in the description box. By the way, tattoo. If you want to know what this is, go have a look on the LAKEY channel Instagram account. That being said, we're gonna jump right in. Let's go. Oh, the car. Flashback.
Scrap this and buy some muscle.
Oh, we're gonna see how Mr. Miyagi got the car, maybe. I love the faded color thing, and just the jacket colors are bright.
Thank you.
What are you looking at?
What are you angry about?
Mom killed herself.
Explains why he's such a freak.
Stop that.
It's always like this. It's always like the douchey jock and the nice lady.
We can use you out there in Vietnam, man. It's amazing what you can become with a little discipline and direction.
Is that Chris? Wait, because Vietnam and I don't know. Is that Chris? I mean, I'm looking for Chris anyway. Ah, yes. Okay. Fuck it. So they're giving us the backstory. I think I've talked about it maybe. I think I talked about it in previous episodes.
And that's why you have to learn to be cruel yourselves.
I mean, of course, I never said that Chris was born a son of a bitch. But right now he's a son of a bitch, so.
What they did to him, they did to all of us. And it will not go unanswered.
Did get all the dojo. So there's no loyalty to Johnny.
I can't hear you!
That's infuriating. Not so much, it's more irritating than
And this is from
infuriating.
your pale friend. Dimitri, is it? He said,
Pale friend?
and that basket is from the LaRussos.
It's nice.
Where's Sensei?
Come on, Carmen.
Hey, got you juice.
Detox.
Looks like sewage.
Suck it up.
And drive faster then. Feel like I'm in a rocking chair.
The bantering between them two is really great.
Hopefully our mutual friend can point us in the right direction.
Who?
This is what rehab's like?
This is one of the best facilities in the country.
Oh, his mother. My goodness. Say friends. Is that?
Very brave.
Oh, no, please don't do that.
No, I'm not checking in.
Oh, no.
Don't worry, he'll get used to it.
No, he's...
I'm sure he will.
Dang. You son of a bitch. Laugh out. Oh.
Janet.
What is that hug about?
You still going to the Kudos and Concerns meetings on Wednesdays?
I'm sorry, what's happening here?
Hi, Johnny.
Hey,
Yeah, it's not like he just pop out of nowhere. He's been there for a few seconds.
Really wasn't expecting to see the two of you together.
Yeah.
whatever it takes
Surprising.
to find our son. Yeah, I'm glad you're doing better. I really am. But I don't need some rehab vacation.
That's because your idea of...
Guys, not a moment. Not a place either.
All I know is that whenever Robbie would get in trouble, those dimwits weren't far behind.
What dimwits?
Ugh.
Chris Brown, the other one looks vaguely...
One looks like Chris Brown, come on.
Great, Tweedledum and Tweedledumbass. How we
Yeah.
supposed to find those dirtbags?
I know where they are.
Oh. What are they? Are they at the resort maybe? Where they are stealing?
Introduce you to a friend of mine.
What are they gonna do to it? Don't you do it. Anything.
Bert, what do you think?
No. Oh, no. I'm not.
Good. But you can feed him.
I cut my side. I wasn't seeing that one coming, but I was expecting something to happen to the I mean, I'm not so mad about the fact that they are feeding the mouse to the snake for the record. I'm just mad about the fact that he made them like it, like, you know, create an emotional bond before doing it.
I can't.
Ah.
Get out!
What?
I said out!
I'm like, okay. I mean, it would have been something if he had killed it before giving it to the snake, like in his bare hands. Satori,
That's a mom.
talk to me. I'm not so mad at Tori. I'm not so mad at her. Like, you're fighting for what you want, girl. It's on that basis, it's all right. But I mean, yeah, she took it a little far.
That boy you two fought over would have sat front and center.
Don't talk about him.
Boys.
That cat JK is a dick.
Instead of a boy, maybe things would be easier for you. Maybe you wouldn't have to worry about rent.
Oh, come on. Yes.
What you want?
I wouldn't do that. What would your probation officer say?
You wouldn't be so happy, but you would deserve it.
This is my world. Follow my lead.
Bitch ass Kevin James.
Ah, yeah, they are okay.
Now, does it look like we're scared of you?
You should be.
Enough!
Oh, okay. All right, man. Damn, relax. We ain't mean no disrespect.
Sorry, Mr. LaRusso.
Yeah, he bit the shit out of them. I'm trying to stay polite. I'm sorry.
Johnny, what the hell?
You don't see that?
Oh.
What? No! Damn!
Better start talking. I could do this all day.
Hey.
I'm not mad at it. Because deserved it.
We all used to scam people at Tech Town in Panorama City.
You better be telling the truth. Or I'm sending him back alone next time.
You might want to get your friend here at Tampa.
Oh, the shade. Go on.
She crying?
Divorce will do so later.
Oh, he doesn't feel. No.
No.
Come on. Don't tell me.
No.
No, don't tell me. No. You're not really. Don't do that here. Come on. You could have at least closed the shades, I don't know. No, don't tell me. That sucks.
Can you be careful with those?
He's my son. I'll talk to him.
That's always going well.
What did you say?
Nothing.
Be nice, guys. Be nice.
Johnny Lawrence is with me.
Hi, Johnny.
Oh, hey, Amanda. Scumbags at the prison gave it up easy. Couple of pussies.
Did you say prison?
We were just talking to a couple.
Yeah, they wouldn't talk, so we had to smack them around a little bit.
Oh, come on.
What?
Come on.
Smack it.
He cried.
Johnny, come on.
Be careful.
Yes, he's being careful, don't worry. But I understand she might be worried.
You had to mention the prison, right? Of course you did.
I'm not lying to your wife for you.
Fair. I can't do that shit, it's always too much. That time I'm screaming. Okay. Worse.
18 months of covert ops, but your address was on your paperwork.
Community service hours, probation, trying to get my GED, taking care of my little brother and my mom. And I have to pay rent on time this month.
Good reasons.
Yes, I stay out of trouble. Can't go to juvie.
Yeah, fair.
She's sick. Mine was too. Once.
I'm afraid how
Trust
things
me,
are gonna
this place
go.
isn't charming.
He's gonna take care of the caretaker.
It was a different kind of sickness. I didn't understand at the time.
Everybody's got a demon.
What if your dues were on me? Those other students, they weren't born fighters like you.
Don't do that, Chris. I might believe that Chris is being genuine here, but he's, Still using the situation.
Don't worry about it.
He's gonna take care of him. You didn't really conceal it really well, Tori.
Let go of me!
Oh, help him. Oh, no. Yeah. I'll give you that one, Chris.
You got a crush on her? Freak?
He does, but even if he didn't, doesn't matter.
But I guess that runs in the family, doesn't it?
Good. Am I rooting for John here? Yes, I
You
am.
can't finish.
You gonna break his arm?
I sure as hell scared you.
Thumb up for me.
Need a lift?
It's what happened to her. Lift. That transition.
Hey, wait a second. Isn't that a... Hey! Hey, you!
Ah! Guys,
What are you doing?
he's driving. Ah, look at this. Yeah, the peanuts. Oh no, they're not doing it. Come on. That she's doing everything and anything. They don't care. They're mavericks. Sure. Oh!
You got insurance.
You got money.
This has gone far enough. Done.
Cops.
Leaving already?
We just have a question.
On your way to call the cops, like you said.
Ah, listen to him.
Or not.
Oh, Johnny! Ah, they're fighting together. That's epic, guys. We're actually seeing them fighting, like full fight. First one. Oh!
The kid's got the van, bro. Where is he? What kid?
I mean, guys, you put that on yourselves. Johnny, reasonable. Johnny, reasonable. Johnny. What are you doing? Why are you fighting him right now? Do you have a grudge? I mean.
What's the matter with you? Well, me?
You're the one that came
Johnny
to me,
could took
Russo.
it too far.
Don't do it again. Oh yeah, you're some great teacher. Look what happened to Robbie.
Fair.
I'm willing to admit when I fail, okay? And maybe I did. Or maybe he just has a little too much of you in him.
Nature nurture. Ah, don't part ways.
Where you going?
I got somewhere to be.
Work together. You want the same thing, for God's sake.
Better
Johnny.
turn that car to the dealership.
Look, old man, I don't know you. Or she can do something else to get in my good graces, all right?
I'll give it to you at least one time. Grease! Oh! Maybe not that one, but.
Oh, shit. I'm sorry. What are you, a grandpa or something?
Or something. Somebody's got to teach you to keep your hands to yourself.
Okay. I'll do what you want.
We're gonna make a little arrangement.
The transitions, I can't. Ah, good, Johnny. Good. I was afraid it was going to go to, I don't know, some nasty place. I mean, I don't pretty much like hospitals, but.
From last time I was here.
I did what you taught me.
You showed mercy.
I showed mercy.
And it's Robbie who did it to him.
I don't know.
It's.
Trusted you.
You did good. Come on, Miguel.
Everything that you told me. Look at me!
I mean, you got into that fight. Yeah.
Get out of here.
Miguel, you can't leave.
Just get out of here!
I mean, I'll give it to you, Miguel. It's, if you need that to cry and let it go, go.
Is that? I promise.
Ah, okay.
Please, you have to help him.
I will. Well, you gotta trust me here, all right?
Sam, okay?
Surprised you haven't seen her in the episode so far. Yeah, your dad.
I'm so sorry.
No, but you were right. It was a mistake trying to help me because I can't change.
We all make mistakes, Robbie.
Yep.
You could learn from your mistakes.
That's what you do about it.
But this is the best way forward.
Go to the
I
police.
spoke to a lawyer and he explained to me that it's important.
Guys, come on.
Just kept me talking so I wouldn't leave.
No, I was trying to help you.
Robbie.
I will visit you every day, I promise.
Robbie, come on. Robbie. I mean, I'm gonna talk about this in the post-reaction discussion. Stick around, guys.
With one united purpose.
Being jackass.
That issue I was having got worked out.
Isn't that something?
But no matter what, I'll wait for you.
Did
Promise you'll
you?
come back to me?
I promise you, you will be unstoppable.
You're talking right into my soul, Chris. I don't know if there is no good or if there is no bad. I do not believe there is nature versus nurture, but I believe there is nature and nurture. And so let me take it from the beginning of the episode. Chris, giving us some background is really appreciated because I want to know more about Chris. I want to know where he comes from. I want to because I want understanding. Does it mean that I give him a pass for being the jackass he is right now? No, it doesn't. But now I know more what he's been through and everything. So I see, I like understanding. I don't like, not knowing stuff. I'm going to jump right to what I said. I said that I would talk about the Robbie situation. Mistakes, happen. And you do not always have a control over it. And people blame themselves and everything. But you do not always have a control over mistakes. It's a result of your actions, of your choices, of... Yes, it is. But do you have control over that? Not directly always, because there are external factors. While you may be responsible for a part of it, there are external factors upon which you do not have control at all. So to say that a mistake or any bad thing, as well as any good thing, is your due is just blatantly false. It's not a judgment of matter, it's a fact. And so when it comes to blaming people for this or for that, you may do that. Doesn't make it right, doesn't make it true. It makes it, if you want, justified. Because there are reasons, and like I say, more than often, justify doesn't mean right, doesn't mean wise, doesn't mean appropriate. It just means that there are reasons. And the reason here that I'm not so pissed about anybody is that I believe that everybody here did what was in their best interest. Best being that their situations improved for all of them. They gained clarity. Is the outcome always favorable? No. But they move forwards. That's how our betterment works, really. It's about moving forwards, changing your situation, not being in stagnation. And regarding the fact that Daniel called the police upon Robbie is the good thing. Like he said, mistake may not have been yours. Did I fail you? I may have had. But is turning yourself to the police the thing to do so things can move on? Yes, because it cannot remain that way. You cannot remain a fugitive all your life. Are you going to go to juvenile prison maybe a couple of years, but at least you won't be a fugitive for all your life? Is it the best way to make amends? Because the thing is, had he never been caught, Robbie would have definitely been blaming it on himself for the rest of his life, probably. So it's a way to make amends, really. You get punished. You've been punished. Do you forget it? Do you forgive it? Not. But you move on. It's been dealt with. So I'm not mad at Johnny for calling upon Robbie. I'm not mad at Daniel for calling upon Robbie. I'm not mad for the argument, the last argument that Daniel and Johnny had. I'm mad at Johnny for attacking Daniel. But it's their way of saying you messed up, man. Fighting. It's like a reflex. But I would have hoped that Johnny would have started, to learn how to be calm and everything. But granted, it's about his son and everything. So much like Daniel, it's a reason. But do I think it's wise? No. So that's about it for that episode of Cobra Kai. I can't wait to see what the next episode is. Actually, I'm gonna watch it right now. By the way, regarding Miguel's argument, if I could say so, pushing away Johnny, I'm okay with it. If you need, to blame it on someone for a moment and cry a little bit, sure. As long as in the end, you get a clear mind and, Johnny is not. Miguel, Johnny is someone you want in your life, so yeah. So that being said, guys, thank you very much for watching. Always a delight. Tell me down below in the description, in this comment section, what you thought of that episode and that question of nature versus nurture, as they want to put it. Like I said, to me it's nature and nurture. Tell me what you thought maybe about everybody's decisions, about the Robbie situation, mainly because I believe that this is the one, that a choice had to be made, and so I'd like to know what you think about it. And Chris, maybe if that episode was a game changer for you regarding Chris knowing about his background, not for me, it was not so much of a game changer in the fact that the situation that we are here, well, it's not changing anything to the situation really. But I like to learn more about the characters, and definitely to me that's added value. So yeah, tell me down below. That means that the full-length reaction to that episode is available on Patreon. Link down below in the description box. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Sorry, I forgot my words. To subscribe and hit the notification bell that's not already on, so you don't miss a new video. Daily uploads coming on the channel. Thank you very much for watching. Links to my social medias down below in the description box, as well as the link to the Discord server. I hope to see you over there. That being said, I always say that being said. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. I'll be seeing you in the next. Until then, please take care. Have a nice life. Bye.